स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है 36 माइनस 3 पावर 3 टाइम्स एक्स माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई एक्स ब्रैकेट होल पावर एक्स डिवाइड बाई 2 टाइम्स एक्स प्लस 1 दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 3 एंड हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। हियर 36 माइनस 3 पावर 3 टाइम्स एक्स माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई एक्स एंड ब्रैकेट power x divided by 2 times x plus 1 and this is equals to 3. Now if we take power both side 2 times x plus 1 divided by x and here 2 times x plus 1 divided by x, then in left hand side we will apply this rule, that is a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule in left hand side, then this x and this x is cancel out and 2 times x plus 1 and this 2 times x plus 1 is cancel out. So in left hand side we have 36 minus 3 power 3 times x minus 1 and divided by x, and this is equals to 3 power 2 times x plus 1 divided by x. Now we know that students, a plus b divided by c, this is equals to a divided by c plus b divided by c. If we apply this rule here, then here 36 minus 3 power 30 times x divided by x, then we get 3 minus and here 1 by x, and this is equals to 3 power, and here if we apply this rule again, then 2 times x is divided by x, then we get 2 plus and here 1 by x. Now we know that students, a power m minus n, this is equals to a power m divided by a power n, and a power m plus n, this is equals to a power m times a power n. Then in left hand side we have 36 minus, and here if we apply this rule, a power m minus n, this is equals to a power m divided by a power m, then 3 is a and this 3 is m and this 1 by x is n, then a power m, it means 3 power 3 divided by 3 power 1 by x, and this is equals to, and here we will apply this rule, a power m plus n, that is a power m, it means 3 power 2 times 3 power 1 by x. Now look carefully this expression, if we put 3 power 1 by x, this is equals to t, then this expression is 36 minus 3 power 3, that is 27 divided by t, and this is equals to 3 power 2, that is 9 times t, because 3 power 1 by x is replaced by t. Now here if we multiplied both side t, then in left hand side this t is multiplied by 36, then we get 36 times t, and this t is multiplied by 2 times, sorry students, here 3 power 3, that is 27, sorry, this t is multiplied by 27 divided by t, then this t and this t is cancel out, then here 27, and this is equals to 9 times t square. If we take all the expression in same side, then we will get 9 times t square minus 36 times t and plus 27, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common 9 both side, sorry, here 9 is common factor in left hand side. If we take common 9, then t square minus 4 times t plus 3, and this is equals to 0, and if divide both side 9, then you will get t square minus 4 times t plus 3, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of t, so first we will factorize this quadratic equation by using middle term split, and we will find out the value of t. Then t square minus 4 times t is same as 3 times t minus t plus 3, and this is equals to 0. T square minus 3 times t, if we take common t, then here t minus 3, and here if we take common minus 1, then here t minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Now here look carefully, t minus 3 is common, if we take t minus 3 is common, then here t minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here product of t minus 3 and t minus 1, this is equals to 0, either t minus 3 this is equals to 0 or t minus 1 this is equals to 0. Then t is equals to 3, and here t is equals to 1, and we know that value of t is 3 power 1 by x, so here 3 power 1 by x, this is equals to 3, and here 3 power 1 by x, this is equals to 1. Here if we take power 1, and we know that a power m is equals to, sorry, if a power m this is equals to a power n, this implies m is equals to n. If we apply this rule here, then base is same, so power is same, then students 1 by x, this is equals to 1, and if we take a reciprocal both sides, then x is equals to 1. And here 3 power 1 by x, this is equals to, this one is same as 3 power 0. And here if we apply this rule, then 1 power x, this is equals to 0, but students 1 by x, this cannot be equals to 0. So here only one solution, that is x is equals to 1. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye, and please subscribe my channel.